Welcome back to Mallory Performance, and today a little quick one. We've got an Audi TT and it's came in for a stage 2. Now the TT is completely stock at the minute, so it'll be interesting to see what it performs like on the dyno before and afterwards. I say completely stock, not quite. So obviously it's on air ride and it's fitted with Airlift 3P air ride. The interior's had a complete retrim, and to go nicely with it, it's got the Recaro seats as well, and the new Audi steering wheel as well to match the whole thing. It looks really good inside, and it's orange as well to match the Mallory Performance logo. This one has the Ram Air induction kit fitted to it, and also a downpipe as well. Right, so let's get this in the dyno, do the stock run, and then let's get moving on to the stage 2 and see what this Audi TT can pull. Let's get in there. This is Phil. Phil's going to be tuning it, as he tunes all of them. Not like anyone else does. So Phil's just going to health check it, which includes a smoke test to make sure there's no air leaks, all the obvious bits and bobs to make sure there's oil in it, make sure there's coolant in it, before we actually do a dyno run, because we don't want any accidents. And then we're on to the stock run. So let's get to it. Right, it's all ready and strapped down. Phil, take it away.
Phil's half hour of power.
So it ran a 249 brake
Why is that?
and 375 foot-pounds of torque. So it turns out it's not actually stock, it's got a tune on it. So Phil's having a little play, see what we can do. So we've just ran a 266 and a 318 foot-pounds of torque. So what would you recommend to reach?
Spark plugs.
Spark plugs. So
Spark plugs. Needs spark plugs.
it needs spark plugs. So the Audi TT is now running 266 bhp with 318 foot-pounds of torque. So quite a significant increase. Phil's actually calling this a stage 1 plus until we could get the high pressure fuel pump and intercooler. Phil's advised we do upgrade the spark plugs as well, just to get that extra bit of power and also run it on 99 RON fuel. Right, we'll take this out and see what it's like on the road. So the Audi TT is all complete, taking it on a little test drive there, and is running real nice now, and a few little crackles as well from the exhaust, bearing in mind it is a standard back box with just a downpipe as well. So owner's probably going to take it away, put some new spark plugs in it, better fuel, there'll be a few more modifications to come on it, and if you want to see more on the Audi TT, let us know in the comment section below. Don't forget to click subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.